Hi guys, in this video we are going to look at a pulley system, and I'm going to show you that this simple machine actually makes our work easier when we want to lift up something heavy. I don't have anything heavy here, it's just a mass of 1 kilogram, but you will get the idea. So if I have a mass 1 kilogram and I know that the weight of the mass is the force of gravity acting on the object is mass times g. G is 9.8, and for simplicity I assume that g is 10, so the weight of the object is 10 newtons. That means that if I want to lift it up, I need to provide 10 newtons, a force of 10 newtons here. Now I'm using a fixed pulley and I have a spring scale here. I'm going to read off how much force I need to apply on this side of the rope to lift it up. So here we are, and the object is off the ground and 10 newtons. So you might ask, what is the advantage of having a fixed pulley? Because we are providing the same amount of force here. The only advantage of having a pulley is that we are, with one fixed pulley, actually we are changing the direction of the force. It's usually much easier to pull a rope down than to lift the object up. So, you know, let's say that you have an object which is not heavier than your weight. So you can put all your weight on one side of the rope till you are hanging from the rope and then lift it up. Let's move on to having two pulleys, and here I have a fixed pulley and a loose pulley, the same object, so the force is 10 newtons, and I'm going to pull it down, right, and the object is off the ground, and look at the force. I need to apply only 5 newtons. It's interesting, isn't it? So that means that when we have two pulleys, I needed to apply less force. So this is the mechanical advantage that I am looking for. And why is it so? So the question is why? Look at that. Here, this object is hanging from this loose pulley. And here we have two pieces of rope. One is connected to the ceiling here, and the other one is going around the fixed pulley, and here is my hand. Okay, so I only need to apply this force. So 10 newtons splits between these two. So this one is providing 5 newtons and the other one is providing 5. And if I have 3 pulleys, see what happens. The force that I need to apply is even less. So here I have 3 ropes and only one of them is attached to my hand here. So this is what I needed to provide.